So I'm going to make this quick because we have some grocery shopping to do, but I just wanted to tell you guys the good news and let you know that our puppy came into this world yesterday, which is super exciting, or hopefully our puppy. You know, obviously it will all depend on how the temperament testing goes and everything, but it's very exciting. As far as we know, everyone's, you know, healthy, happy, everything went pretty smoothly, I think, from what we saw, and the mother and puppies are resting, and it's so exciting. Oh, I'm so excited. This is gonna be amazing. And I've let my parents decide when I'm going to disclose the name to you guys, and both of my parents agree that I shouldn't let you guys know that until the day that we bring him home. So I'm sorry, but you're gonna have to wait about 2 more months. But I promise I will keep you guys updated more on, like, when we go to visit the dogs and stuff. I'll definitely let you know all about that and hopefully get some footage if I'm able to. But yeah, I'm so excited. This is awesome. And the litter was very big and also large puppies, so that's just even better for hopeful mobility prospect in the future. So this is all very exciting and very exhausting. So yeah, I just had to let you guys know that this is the best day. Well, actually yesterday was the best day because they were born yesterday, but I forgot to tell you till now. So there you go. Anyway, we're gonna go do some stuff, and yeah, stay tuned and I'll let you guys know as soon as I find out more.